Hi, welcome back. I want to show you my Eisbein now, how they came out. Just give me a second here. You see? Nice, crispy all around. Nice, you can hear the crackling. Nice. Now I give you a little useful tip. If you want to share the Eisbein or anyhow how to eat an Eisbein, you just don't start cutting here and start eating around. A hog always got two bones. Okay? You crack the two bones in between. Oh, you hear that? You see that? Nice, lean, juicy inside with a crackling outside. And then you take this too. And they both have some, this is a bigger bone, this is a smaller bone, but the same have got the same amount of meat on every side. And then you start cutting the Eisbein from the inside. You see? Lovely how it falls off the bone. Nice. Guten Appetit.